Have you ever thought about what you could achieve by saving just $5 a day? It might seem like a small, almost insignificant amount, but the truth is, those small steps can lead to big dreams. Imagine the possibilities that open up when you start to save consistently, even if it's just a little bit at a time. It might not seem like much. A few dollars here and there can easily slip through our fingers without us even noticing. We often spend that amount on things we don't even remember the next day. You could easily spend that on a coffee or a snack. These small everyday expenses add up quickly, and before you know it, you've spent a significant amount of money on things that don't really matter in the long run. But what if I told you that those small amounts, saved consistently, could grow into something extraordinary? By making a conscious decision to save, you're planting the seeds for a brighter financial future. Each dollar saved is a step towards achieving your bigger goals. That's the power of small, consistent investments. Over time, these small amounts can accumulate and grow, thanks to the magic of compound interest. It's not about making huge sacrifices, it's about making smart choices with the resources you have. Imagine turning that daily $5 into $1 million. It sounds unbelievable, right? But with the right strategy and a bit of patience, it's entirely within reach. The key is to start now and stay committed to your savings plan. But with patience, discipline, and the power of compound interest, it's entirely possible. Compound interest works like magic, multiplying your money over time. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. Those often lead to disappointment and financial loss. Instead, this is about building a solid foundation for your financial future, one step at a time. This is about building real wealth, step by step, over time. Each small step you take brings you closer to your financial goals. It's a journey, and every journey begins with a single step. It's about taking control of your financial future. By being mindful of your spending and making intentional choices, you can create a future where your financial dreams become a reality. It's about achieving your dreams, whatever they may be. Whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or traveling the world, your dreams are within reach when you take small, consistent steps towards them. Are you ready to embark on this journey with me? Together, we can turn those small steps into big dreams. Let's start today and see where this journey takes us. The key to turning $5 a day into $1 million is consistency. It might sound like a small amount, but when you commit to saving that $5 every single day, it starts to add up. Over time, this small daily habit can lead to significant financial growth. It's not about the amount you save each day, but the discipline and routine you build around saving. It's about developing a habit of saving no matter what. Whether it's a good day or a bad day, whether you feel like it or not, you make that commitment to yourself. This habit becomes a part of your daily routine, just like brushing your teeth or having your morning coffee. It's a small action that, over time, makes a big difference. Think of it like building a muscle. When you first start working out, lifting weights can feel difficult and even painful. But as you continue to exercise regularly, your muscles grow stronger and the weights feel lighter. The same principle applies to saving money. At first, it might feel like a struggle to set aside that $5, but with consistency, it becomes second nature. At first, it might feel challenging. You might feel overwhelmed by other financial obligations or tempted to spend that money on something else. It's normal to feel this way, especially when you're just starting out. But remember, every great journey begins with a single step. You might be tempted to skip a day or two. Life gets busy, unexpected expenses come up, and it can be easy to justify not saving that $5. But skipping days can quickly become a habit too, and before you know it, you've fallen off track. The key is to stay committed, even when it's tough, but as you stay consistent, it becomes easier. Just like with exercise, the more you practice saving, the more natural it feels. You'll start to see the benefits of your efforts, and that will motivate you to keep going. Saving will become a part of your lifestyle, something you do without even thinking about it. You start to see progress. Your savings account balance begins to grow, and you feel a sense of accomplishment. Each dollar saved is a step closer to your financial goals. This progress is a powerful motivator, encouraging you to continue your saving habit, and that progress motivates you to keep going. Seeing the tangible results of your efforts reinforces the importance of your daily habit. It reminds you that every small action counts, and that you're capable of achieving your financial goals. Every dollar you save is a step closer to your goal. Each coin you drop into your piggy bank, each dollar you transfer to your savings account, brings you one step closer to financial freedom. It's a journey, and every step, no matter how small, is progress. Don't underestimate the power of small, consistent actions. These small actions repeated over time have a compounding effect. They build on each other, creating momentum and leading to significant results. It's the power of consistency and persistence. Over time, they compound and create incredible results. Just like compound interest, your small daily savings grow exponentially. The longer you stay committed, the more your savings will grow, and the closer you'll get to your financial goals. Just like a snowball rolling down a hill, your savings will gain momentum and grow exponentially. What starts as a small effort can turn into something much larger over time. So keep saving, stay consistent, and watch your financial future transform. Many people are intimidated by the idea of investing. They think it's complicated, risky, or only for the wealthy. These are common misconceptions that prevent people from building wealth. The truth is, investing is for everyone. You don't need to be a financial expert. You don't need a lot of money to get started. What you need is a willingness to learn and a commitment to taking action. Start by educating yourself about the basics of investing. There are countless resources available online and in libraries. Talk to a financial advisor if you need guidance. Remember, the most important step is to start. Saving money is important, but to truly grow your wealth, you need to put your money to work. This is where investing comes in. When you invest, you're essentially buying a piece of something that you believe will increase in value over time. This could be a company's stock, a bond, or real estate. The goal is to buy low and sell high, generating a profit. Investing does come with risks, but with careful planning and diversification, you can minimize those risks and maximize your returns. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's about making smart, informed decisions that will benefit you in the long run. The magic of compound interest. Time is your greatest ally. Compound interest is the key to turning small, consistent investments into significant wealth. It's often called the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. In simple terms, compound interest is interest earned on interest. When you reinvest your earnings, they generate their own interest. This creates a snowball effect, accelerating your wealth growth over time. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound. Even if you can only invest a small amount each day, the power of compound interest will work its magic over the long term. Real people, real results. Stories of financial freedom. These are not just tales from a distant land. They are real-life stories of individuals who have transformed their financial lives through dedication and smart choices. Don't just take my word for it. Listen to the journeys of those who have walked the path to financial independence and emerged victorious. There are countless stories of ordinary people who have achieved financial freedom through consistent saving and investing. These individuals come from all walks of life, proving that financial success is not reserved for the wealthy or the privileged. Take, for example, the story of Grace, a single mother who started investing $5 a day in her early 20s. Despite the challenges of raising a child on her own, Grace was determined to secure a better future for herself and her child. She never earned a high income, but she remained disciplined with her savings and investment strategy. Grace understood the power of compound interest and the importance of starting early, even with small amounts. Years later, she retired comfortably, her investments having grown to a substantial amount. Grace's story is a testament to the fact that financial freedom is achievable with patience and perseverance. Then there's John, a young professional who committed to investing a portion of his salary every month. John was meticulous in his approach, always seeking to educate himself about the best investment opportunities. He diligently researched his investment options and diversified his portfolio. John knew that diversification was key to managing risk and maximizing returns. Today, he's well on his way to achieving his financial goals, proving that financial success is attainable for anyone willing to put in the effort. John's journey highlights the importance of continuous learning and staying informed about market trends. These stories are just a few examples of how ordinary people can achieve extraordinary financial success. By staying committed, educating themselves, and making informed decisions, they have paved the way to financial freedom. Remember, financial freedom is not a destination, but a journey. It requires consistent effort, smart planning, and the willingness to adapt to changing circumstances. Start your journey today and write your own story of financial success. The long game: building lasting wealth, one day at a time. Building wealth takes time. There are no shortcuts or magic formulas. It's about making a commitment to yourself and your financial future. It's about staying focused on your goals, even when things get tough. There will be market ups and downs. There will be times when you're tempted to spend instead of save. But remember why you started this journey in the first place. Focus on the long term, stay disciplined, and trust that your efforts will pay off in the end. Your journey to $1 million starting today, one step at a time. You have the power to change your financial future. You don't need a lot of money to get started, you just need to start. Commit to saving $5 a day. Automate your savings so you don't even have to think about it. Educate yourself about investing. Seek guidance from a financial advisor if needed. And most importantly, be patient. Your journey to $1 million starts with that first $5. Take that step today, your future self will thank you. Will. Take action now, your future self will thank you. Don't wait for the right time to start saving and investing, the right time is now. Every day you delay is a missed opportunity to grow your wealth. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as your money grows, one $5 bill at a time. Imagine the feeling of financial security, of knowing you're in control of your future. That's the power of saving and investing, and it's within your reach. Take action today. Your future self will thank you. If you like this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe.